How to use Notion Web Clipper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Here, go to the search bar and navigate to notion.com. Once you're on the website you want to clip, for that, go to the bottom panel and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on the Share option. You will now be able to view all the available sharing options on this page. Navigate and tap on the Notion. Alternatively, scroll to the right and tap on More. Here, find and tap on Notion. A new window will pop up. Ensure that the Add a subpage in is selected. Now, tap on the current location next to Add a subpage in. From here, select the page where you want to add the link. Once you've selected the destination page, tap on the Save button as shown. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Notion application. Navigate to the page you selected earlier. You will see the link to the web page added to the bottom of the page. Following these steps, you can easily use Notion Web Clipper on an iPhone.